Remember, you don't need to be famous to be heard. Sometimes the strongest voice is the quiet one that speaks the truth.
Our Filipino voice matter because it's curious our identity, our strengths, and
Story.
our dreams.
Every idea has the power to inspire change.
So, wherever you go, whatever you do, never be afraid to speak. Not to
Mabuhay and welcome to our podcast, Our Filipino Voice That Matters. Today, we're exploring one powerful truth. Every Filipino has a voice and that voice matters.
Sometimes you wonder, do people even listen? Does my opinion count? But the answer is yes. Because when Filipinos speak, whether in the streets, online, in school, or at home, we tell stories that shape our nation.
So join us as we hear different voices, different experiences, and one strong message. Your voice, our voice, makes the Philippines stronger.
When we say Filipino voice, we're not talking about the language we speak. It's the courage to express who we are, our culture, our struggle, and our dream.
Our Filipino voice is the spirit that refuses to give up. It's the voice that stands tall even after storm, earthquake, or challenges in life.
Our voice matters because it reflects our identity. When we speak, we show the world this is who we are. As Filipinos, resilient, respectful, and hopeful.
Our voice also matter because it helps us fight for what right. When we speak as injustice, bullying, discrimination, or corruption will protect our community.
And when we share our ideas, whether inside the classroom or in public, we help share the future of our society.
Think about national heroes. Rizal, Bonifacio, Gabriela Silang, their voices sparked change.
The Filipino youth is more connected, more aware, and more active than ever. We use our voice through social media, art, music, writing, and even simple conversations.
Every time we say stop climate change, respect everyone, or education for all, we already making a difference.
Our voice matters not because it's the loudest, but because it comes from people who care, people who want the Philippines to become better.
First, speak. With respect, a powerful voice becomes even more meaningful when it does hurt or break others.
Second, stay informed. Before we speak, we make sure we know the facts. That's how we avoid spreading false information.
Third, use your voice to uplift them. Encourage your classmates, help your community, and support people who can't speak for themselves.
And finally, be brave. If something is wrong, speak up. Change begins with one voice saying, "Tama na."
Every Filipino, no matter who they are, has something valuable to say. Our diversity, our different languages, accent, and stories make our voice richer.
Our voice becomes stronger when unit, when we listen to one another, support each other, and work together. We prove that the Filipinos' spirit is unbreakable.
Single voice can spark a movement. A group of voices can change a community, but an entire nation speaking together, that's unstoppable.
It reminds us that every opinion, every story, every idea has the power to inspire change.
So, wherever you go, whatever you do, never be afraid to speak. Not to overpower others, but to split our nation.
Your Filipino stories begins with your lived experience, your family traditions, your community, and your memories.
And it doesn't have to be a dramatic. Simple moments like waiting for a jeepney or helping your lola to cook are already powerful.
Remember, Filipino identity is diverse, Visayan, Ilocano, Kapampangan, Tausug, your regional roots, enrich your story.
Exactly, our stories matters because they are uniquely ours.
When giving feedback, start with respect. Listen first, second, react.
And avoid saying things like, that's not Filipino. Filipino identity is not one size fit all.
Feedback should uplift, not silence.
Stories preserve our identity. They carry our history and values.
We share to connect stories, remind us we're not alone.
And they ignite change, especially stories about migration, climate, and community struggles.
Stories shape our understanding of ourselves and each other.
Being informed means checking sources and understanding context.
As creators, our content affects others. We should empower, not mislead.
Form opinions, keep conversation respectful and responsible.
Start with a clear message for our podcast. It's Filipino Story Matter.
At theater and behind the scenes shot, they make audience and part of the journey.
A successful campaign is authentic, interactive, and community-driven.
Maraming salamat for joining us in our Filipino Stories, Voices That Matter. Keep sharing, keep listening, and keep celebrating the stories that make us who we are.